don't know about you guys, but having birds, a lot of birds invade your home is just one of the worst things to ever happen to anyone. I've never had it happen. I've had bugs in my house, I've had bugs in my apartment, but I've never had birds. Well, I'm quite thankful for that because a family in California, you may have heard this story already. I'm a little late to tell it. A family in California was came home after dinner one night, and they were met by some house guests. Yeah, apparently 800 birds have decided to take up residence for a little bit in their home. 800 birds means 800 squeaking, squawking, chirping, burping. Well, not burping. I don't know. Do birds burp? We'll have to ponder about that one later. But squeaking, squawking, chirping, screaming, and defecating all over the place. So let's get into it. Let's get into my notes and let's see what went down. All right. So a family in Torrance, California. I think that's Southern California, I don't know. Someone with a map, someone that can read a map can tell me where Torrance, California is. But a family in Torrance, California had 800 birds just invade their home. Now, I don't know why the police won't arrest the birds, lol. That's not that's a joke. A video from the family, probably a camera that was pointed outside, saw the flock of birds circling over the family's home, and then being like, you know what? Let's just fly in and go through the chimney. So they went through the chimney. It's so hard to explain. If you don't see it with your own eyes, you'll never believe it. A family member told the local TV station. Local county officials advised the family to leave the doors open so the birds can leave on their own. But the birds said no. They refused. After after the flock failed to flee from the home in a fashionably and formidable manner, I just like saying F words. The family decided to stay in a hotel. They acted like they wanted to get out, but they wasn't going nowhere. Patrick Belville told the station. They were flying around just everywhere. I need to listen again. They were just flying around. Every every room in the house, every bathroom. So it didn't matter where you went. The birds were everywhere, and that's just nuts. Thank God. But finally, the bird said, "Okay, we're out," and they all flew out. But they left a little present. Because birds, for some reason, can't use the toilet, these birds decided, you know what? Let's just defecate everywhere. You couldn't walk in any. Uh, you couldn't walk in any spot in the living room, kitchen, and the hallway without stepping on bird droppings. A family member told the TV station. So, I wonder how much that costs to clean up. Oh my god! And does your insurance cover it? What are my thoughts on the situation? Well, it's a simple, like, there's not much you can do unless you want to board up your chimney, but then that'll back up the fireplace and make more of a mess. And oh no. But birds, well, birds do what birds do, boys, you know? Anyway, that's that story. What are your thoughts? Do you know of any weird, wonderful, or what the stories that I should be covering? Please let me know in the comment section below and have a wonderful evening.